मैं मेट्रो से उतर हूँ भाई। अरे भाई यहाँ मेट्रो से उतर काफ़ी लंबी लाइन है ना, आप खड़े मेट्रो से निकल, बट लाइन में मत लगिए तो सीधे गेट पे आ जाइए आगे आगे। सही चलेंगे क्या करना है बता दो, ठीक है, बस बात करो। डेटा पेट्रोल करना भी महंगा हो जाएगा अब सब ब्लॉग। अभी पूरा ये है काइंड ऑफ एक्सिबिटिंग एयरपोर्ट। ये तो एक्चुअली लाइव प्रोडक्ट्स
एक रख सब सारे मत रख
I think 11 products inside that, 8 sales IQ, like tests. Yeah, currently. I was just reconnecting with how to say back into commerce. Physical commerce, right? It was pretty much simple. Search, then you have the catalog, checkout, payment.
So I will stay with that man. That's why I wanted to meet you.
All the men are clapping.
So I think
All
that
the men who think they're transparent are clapping.
the decision came from her value system. The decision came from integrity. And that is ingrained in this person's decision making. Now, that is where I'm talking about AI's decision making. Where would it be anchored? Where would it finally come from when such dilemmas will happen? And I think that's what we should discuss and talk about when we are venturing into an era where AI is going to be such a dominant force.
कुछ सुनाने के लिए कहा था
मुझे बस पुरानी रचनाएं तो बहुत कविताओं की नहीं मैं सोच रहा था एआई पे कुछ लिखा जाए तो क्या होगा तो एआई के ही बारे में
Do you have a seat next to you? I'm coming.
Express ourselves and express our creativity. And with this possibility, with this ability, comes a few tensions. The first tension is it genuinely going to result in us being able to express ourselves in a unique way, with originality, or is it really going to take everything down to the least common denominator? You know what Person Joshi was just saying, that it is the least common denominator of the highest act of creativity. So is that what's going to happen? Is there going to be a flatness or a sameness?
Literally to showcase the linguistic variety. Firstly, Ashok, for months you all have been building the hackathon. कैसा लग रहा है कि फाइनली द वन मिशन जिसके ऊपर पूरे TCS के इतने लोगों ने काम किया है, अनगिनत स्लीपलेस नाइट्स रही है. How does it feel to actually see the real-time dashboard and all the apps that people are building?
No, it's incredible. I'm always blown away finally when we see the actual apps people end up building.
And how easy you've made it for them.
Right? No. And more importantly, they have to realize that it's all of their knowledge of the problem that the AI just acted behind the scenes to bring it out of you.
It's their dream.
Right. You are in charge. And that always surprises me.
Okay, over to you, Ashok.
All right.
Management solution, logistics management, warehouse management, your inventory, shopping, coupons, offers, everything in a single app with your brand name. You can put it in the Play Store. We will manage it for you, and the entire marketing, as I said, it's already done. So marketing as well as tech, you are going to get it bundled in a single platform. So this is how the dashboard looks like.
Here is introducing Jai Bharat Amrit.
अभी एक आएगा I went to tell Pawan ki wo वहाँ पहुँचा हुआ I went to tell like the Raj over there roamed around and I went to hall number 3
इसकी जो एडिटिंग रहती है वो ऊपर वाली है वो थोड़ी अलग होती है इसमें इंटरफेरेंस की स्केलिंग आजा बिल्कुल आजा आजा जी we are very not this scale but we aspire to have this डिलॉयट का फिर आगे
talking about Manipal.
Which you can prompt a person to go back to, saying that you said that if you were in extreme distress, if you were having a panic attack, you would call your mother. Maybe needs time for you to make that call. So you create that plan in advance when they're not in distress, and when the chatbot recognizes that the person is in distress, you can take it.
AI के पास अपना कुछ होता नहीं है,
Evaluating the quality of your service against mental health.
Sorry, I'm very sorry, the echo is really bad.
Yeah, how you are evaluating the effectiveness of your service against mental health?
How are you evaluating the effectiveness of your solution?
How are you evaluating effectiveness? Well, we have 45 research publications across various parts of the touch point, including
AI approach, which is we have decided that first the users are going to input an image, and from that it is going to detect the class names, and from that we are going to be provided with all the information and the location of those detected heritage sites, and along
बता देना कब तक तो होते ही है।
सोते समय याद करेंगे।
बताता हूँ और आपको ये भी बताता हूँ कि देखिए in the value system is why I was saying the value system for AI is very important where AI is connected. There is a story which I narrated yesterday also in a session of Anton Chekhov. What that story is intending, I will tell you. There is this person who is married to a beautiful person, and this person's friend is interested in this woman. What this person does, he never meets her, but talks to the friend in such beautiful language and gives such metaphors, knowing very well that this guy is going to tell her that how my friend talks, what my friend thinks. Now this woman is getting gradually enticed by this, and as this person has thought of, he gets approached by